So this is probably my most important video on how you can buy and sell meme coins effectively on Solana. Now, first of all, BullX, the best platform that all the meme coin traders are using, the professionals are using, because this is the fastest and the most advanced, is BullX. This is invite only. The invite link is in the description below if you want to join. And first of all, they just added the wallet tracker feature, which means that you can track wallets from every trader that you want, and I will show you how you can easily find the best wallets, the best traders. And here you can see this is the website called CallScan. So basically the best part is that you can see active wallets, because again, many of these people are buying and selling and trading on different wallets. So here you can see the active ones. So for example, let's search, for example, one of the best trader on Solana is Capsi. As many people already know, what you have to do is go on his profile. Right here you will see wallet address. You just click here and it is copied. You go back to the BullX, you add wallet. Let's write Capsi, enter wallet address, and here you see everything that he's doing. You can see what he's buying, what he's selling. You go to Monitor Square. You can see he basically how many tokens he has remaining. So basically Capsi is the guy that he's basically scalping. He goes fast in and fast out. So it is really hard to compete against him. Here you can see actually he just bought something and already at 0. So again, he goes in fast, goes out. So it is really hard to follow people like Capsi. He's a professional. That's why he is the most profitable trader. No one can catch him. He's probably spending thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars of like in gas fees and in the basically in the fees. So what you want to do, another tactic, is go on CallScan. Here you can see we have Dave Portnoy, the Barstool's creator, CEO, the guy that is hyping the, I think, Jailstool coin that everyone is talking about him right now. And you can see 3.5 million followers, insane. And he has been basically shilling his own coins, shilling and selling and dumping. So what we want to do is copy his address, go on bullex.io. Again, link is in the description because this is invite only. So let's add his wallet. Dave, enter wallet address, add wallet, and here we can see everything. So he's basically holding Fart Noi coin, and here you can see he has remaining 108,000. He bought around 52,000 and he sold already 154,000 in the Fart Noi coin, and he's still selling. Because he has a lot of attention, influential guy. Many people don't use BullX, they are just using Dex Screener and Phantom. That's why they don't, they cannot track easily what he's holding, how much he's holding, his activity. Basically, they don't have these dashboards that they can see everything that he has basically created and dumped, because everything in here looks like he's the maker of these coins, of these meme coins. So again, BullX is my favorite platform. Many influencer, many best meme coin trader favorite platform, because you can set your own gas fees, priority fees, buy bribes. You can be in the line. For example, when Trump or Melania drops the ticker, you basically can buy the fastest, because if you are buying on Phantom or through exchanges, you cannot edit the speeds that you are basically buying. So right here, I can edit. And for example, if there are thousands or 10,000 people buying meme coin on Solana, the chain could be congested, and you can get your transactions failed, your signatures failed. And again, when you buy through Phantom Wallet, you have to sign transactions, at least 2 for approval and for swap. And you have to go on Radium or Jupiter. Right here, you basically go on search, you enter address, and you just buy. I have also some great tutorials on how to set your gas limits on my YouTube channel. You can check yourself. But again, this is the way I am doing right now. I'm just following these big accounts. You can follow whoever you want. There are many people right here. I'm not following the biggest traders, the smartest traders, because I'm not as smart as them. They are much faster. They are sniping. They are spending so much on fees. But people like Dave Portnoy, you can basically follow him, and you can also get in these coins before he posts them on X, on his basically account. And again, 99% of people that are following him buying meme coins, they are just following the Twitter tracker, or just Twitter, or not even tracker. They're just following his accounts. But the fact is that he, for example, he's creating something, he's buying, and only after that he's posting. So if you are tracking his coins or whoever, there are so many calls, and you can find them yourself on Twitter or on X yourself. It is a little bit harder, but this is the first thing I would recommend you to do, especially if you want to just learn, because that's what I did. You just want to follow basically these counts. You can refresh, you can basically see what they are doing, as I already showed you with the Cupsy. He was basically in, and in a few seconds he was out. So you basically can understand what they are doing at all. And yeah, here are many people. For example, if you search with the letter A and you scroll down, there are so many people that you can, there's even orangey. So there is basically there are so many people that are buying and selling meme coins. And the other best thing that you can basically check their Twitter, their accounts, see the reviews, if they are scammers, if they are dumping on everyone, or if they have a great reputation. So again, invite link for this BullX application is in my bio in the description. Also, they added Twitter tracker, which is insane. Soon you will be able to follow specific accounts that you want to follow. For example, Coinbase listing account, because it is much harder for you to refresh. It's much slower. So soon you will be able to follow, for example, Coinbase listing account, and as they are posting, you basically go on Solana or whatever, and you buy before everyone else. Again, this is the fastest platform, most advanced, and soon you will be able, here you can see coming soon, is that basically following, you will be able to follow different accounts. And if and when the bull run gets even more crazier, this will be such a great tool, because right now the meme coin or even crypto space is quite slow, quite low on the radar. Not many people are bullish like they were in 2024, but I think we are still going to see the total euphoria in the crypto. Here you can see Elon Musk tweeted 14 seconds ago. On Twitter, you cannot do this. You can just scroll and refresh. Like, who is doing it? No one. So this is much faster. Soon you will be able to just follow Elon Musk for his meme posts, and after each meme you have a coins created. That's why, again, great platform. I am pretty new on this one, but there are so many features. They are adding many features almost every week, every month. That's why, again, invite link is in the description. And if you want to get some alpha for crypto, for NFTs, I have my Patreon. This is where I am posting daily alpha on NFTs, airdrops, crypto that I'm seeing on Twitter timeline, because there's so much happening. I'm posting as much as I can, and it is much easier for me to post on Patreon, because I can just see on Twitter or X and go on Patreon in few seconds. The post is done. On YouTube, it is much harder. I have to create video, I have to edit, I have to upload, create thumbnail, so that takes around 1 to 2 hours. So my Patreon is much faster. That's why it costs $10. Not that much for the opportunities you get, and I have many even opportunities that I, as a influencer, because I have many followers on YouTube. That's basically what I want to tell you. Again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.